You ever wonder why motherfuckers would go ahead and start a business, like a tire business or something? You ever wonder why people start businesses? You know what I'm saying? Like, who wakes up and be like, yo, I'm gonna start me a tire spot. I mean, I'm opening up a tire business today. I said I want to open up a tire business. Who wants to open up a restaurant? Who want to cook that much that open up a restaurant? That's people with passion, right? Passion for what they do. A bakery. Passion for what they do. You know what I'm saying? What else? I don't know, a jewelry store. 9 times out of 10 is a passion for it. Even though, they think they can make money doing it, but there's some type of passion for that. So I've learned to have a passion, for some odd reason, me growing up, I've always had a passion for business, but I never wanted to run a brick and mortar business. I always wanted to help people run a business, right? So that's what got me into operations. Like I turned into a lover of operations and business. All right. And I'm going somewhere with this, so stay with me. So, I've actually turned that passion for business into wanting to help other businesses be successful, right? And I figured out a way to help other businesses be successful, right? By helping them, or those business owners, with funding. Like, help business owners get funding to be able to stay afloat and build their business. So my business is to help entrepreneurs and business owners keep their business going. And I know it's a different type of business, right? Like, who wakes up and be like, yeah, I'm gonna help people. I'm gonna help business owners stay afloat and do business. Well, me, motherfucker, that too. So, with that being said, I'm personally looking for other folks that are passionate as I am about business, and to help business owners get the funding they need to keep their business rolling, or even get their business rolling. And you make money while helping business owners get funding. And I know it sounds different, right? Not crazy, but different than the average thing out there, right? Usually most people want you to spend money. Most, like, these type of programs, people want you to, do all these things, spend money to get with their team and do all these things. Not I. I'm looking for people that are willing, able, and hungry. And if you're willing, able, and hungry, and you want to grow and make money, and possibly grow your own business and build your own business while creating your own income, holla at me. Go to my website, thewealthbuilders.com, and go to sign up to be a business broker and get signed up. It's free. It's free to get with your boy, to get with the Wealth Builders and start making income. And I even show you how to source out business owners. That's so you can help these business owners get these loans, and you can start making money while helping business owners stay afloat. It's just that easy. So go ahead, do yourself a favor, and click that link below. Until next time, Wealth Builders. It's the man, it's the myth, the Wealth Builder himself. Signing off. Peace.